Hello there, my dear friends and fellas. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. It's me, Werty, and today you're seeing my bed. You know what the time it is. A new package. Actually, for this one, I waited for 2.5 months. I ordered it in the beginning of December, and it was supposed to arrive about a week later, but we had too much issues with our postal service, so it arrived only now. But I mean, better late than never. So, I assume what's inside. Let's crack it open. Nah. Hold on. Using my elbow. Alright. So. Come on. Oh. Bubble wrap number 1. Opa. Bubble wrap number 2. Nah. Oh, that's nice. They give me another pair. Or I have no idea. Okay, this is their return and refund policy. This is what you send when... Come on, focus. Thank you. This is what you send if you want to return it, with their email address and stuff. Those are the headphones themselves, and this is the bracelet. I assume it comes separately. I have no idea. So this is the thing itself. It's a little bit different than what I've ordered, but I'm not complaining. Let's see. And those are the headphones. So, wait a minute. That's odd. This is not what I ordered. I ordered a different thing. They sent me this. But too long has passed since then. Well, I'm not complaining. Well, I'll see what I can do with this thing. So, a big old disappointment. One headset. Where's music earphone? It was supposed to be the different type. Oh well. This is what I got. I thought it's gonna be a different thing. It was supposed to be like way bigger than this. Like, if this, like this big in comparison to this small one, and the headphones supposed to be inside it already. So it's like a charger thing, and then you put it on a bracelet, on this bracelet, and then you have like a 2-in-1 combo. And I was lied to. But I mean, they did send what I ordered, I guess. I mean, guess I should have checked more thoroughly. But alrighty. This is the earphone itself. Well, I mean, there are people who are using those. I personally don't see the point in them. I was hyped because it was supposed to be like those small tiny ones that you put on both ears. And yeah, I guess I should have checked exactly what I've ordered. Well, I mean, I know that from them I'm not gonna order anything, and so yeah, there's that. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed my disappointment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.